SandStorm Motion Kit gives you the ability to creating stunning particle and dust effects from your images, no plugins required. Create this highly detailed effect from your photos with just a few clicks. Customizable settings in After Effects allow you to completely transform your results, giving you maximum control. That's right, no plugins, no pre-renders and no third-party apps. You control the amount of particles, the turbulence, the particle distance and much, much more. Choose from 5 different directions, up, down, left, right, or middle.